Flippity flip.
This should be. Ooh, look at that kiss. Yeah,
That's beautiful.
yeah. Kiss of flame. I ran into a sale today. You like that sale, didn't you, baby?
That was a good
Oh yeah,
sale.
go ahead and get these. Oh yeah. What? Let me see. $3.98 a pound came out to $4.74. Porterhouse. Porterhouse steaks. This is what you used to get when you used to go to like a Ponderosa back in the day.
Yeah.
Or Bonanza.
Oh.
Or y'all in Chicago, Matson's. We gonna get into this real quick. We're just doing like a little dusting of Lori's because we're gonna do another rub on top of it that I've been a fan of here lately from Kinder's. Yep, just like that. Now, star of the show, prime steak seasoning. Prime. Ooh, black garlic and truffle. This is good, y'all. I tried this on a brisket. Oh, it was a hit. So this doesn't have too much sodium in it, so you could be pretty liberal with this one. And it's gonna give it a nice color. Oh, the smell on it already is incredible.
Yes.
I love doing steak. Steak is so easy to do. Y'all gonna be like, oh man, this is nothing to it. That's why people do steak. You come home from work, and if you got a gas grill, you just fire it right up and get to going. And be like, hey, we got a steak, baby. Remember, y'all, don't forget the sides. Sometimes, like, that bone right up in there, sometimes that tastes good. Let these hang out for about an hour while I go fire up the smoker. I'm gonna do some hickory wood. This gonna be my little snack while I wait on like some ribs or something to cook. So I'm gonna be right back at y'all, and we're gonna be outside, get these cooking. It's gonna be real quick. Ooh, baby, how hot we got this day?
How hot is it?
Hot.
Oh.
It's hot.
It's hot. 350.
All right. Ooh. Throw that steak on there. Yeah. We got the meter 2 plus up in here. To get it at a medium rare. Shawan's gonna be very well done. Mine is gonna be full of flavor. And we're gonna see if this thing can do what it says it can do. Yes. Medium rare for this steak. Got the porterhouse. Start cook. Oh, turn my sound up. Okay. All right. This thing is neat. All right. We shoot for that 135. It's a cold steak. It's at 30 degrees now. Yeah, let's get some little marks on here. Ooh. Man. All right, let it roll a few. We're going to flip again. We're going to flip. Now for another flip. So now I want to go like that. Yeah. I think that's how I want to go. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. All right. Stay tuned for flip 3. Look at that. Come on, then I'm gonna go.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Flip number 3. The meter 2 plus, I got 5 minutes. So, how about another flip? This should be. Ooh, look at that kiss. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Kiss of flame.
Help himself.
I think I told y'all a lie. One more flip.
Flippity flip.
Man, these look so good. I want this side, the other side to get a little more crusty. So, yeah. I just wanted you to get ready. Follow the directions. Look how juicy that is. We're gonna let yours keep on rocking. Color on that boy. That's the well done one too. Let's take the meter thermometer out. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah, slicing. Yeah. Okay, let me get a little prettier picture than that. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Look at that, y'all. I give that meter 2 a lot of credit. Give it a lot of credit. Sorry, baby. I grabbed it before you know, how doing the camera thing.
It smells good. I don't blame you.
Oh, man. There's no exaggeration, y'all. When they say, when you do it like butter, man, and with that prime steak seasoning, and that just hint of Laurie's, I'm telling you, it's perfection. I mean, it came up with something new. You know, Dustin and Laurie's prime steak seasoning. Man, I like that. I'm like that. I like that. But check this out, y'all. It's the porterhouse. This is one of my favorite steaks when I was a kid. And my first steaks I was eating was like your porterhouse, going to places like Ponderosa and places like that. But y'all see how it's done? Make this for yourself. It was real quick. Was about 15 minutes. 15 minutes on my smoker, 350 degrees. I'm pretty sure if you got one of those gas grills that goes up to about 500, you could go really crazy. But hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all for coming out. Catch you on the next one. Much love and appreciation. Peace.